Hello, my name is Cassandra Mills. This is my screencast for this week's activity that we have. I decided that I wanted to do kind of a silly picture since we had to put a picture on this, but this is my roommate's cat who is sitting on my face. That's all. But so we are talking about why we are studying psychology and what are different jobs that we're planning on taking with psychology and how that affects our 4-year plan. So, I wanted to start out by talking about why I chose psychology. Firstly, I really love working with people. I feel like it's easy for me to get to know them and connect with them, and I just like talking to people and trying to find a way to help them. Because I know that we all have hard times, and I've been through those myself, and I've watched friends and family with such issues as well, and I just want to be able to help them. I believe that the need for psychology is rising. With each year, mental health issues is becoming more and more relevant, and in all the different fields of psychology as well, with marriages and things like that. I think it's something that we need more. I think I'm pretty good at being able to discern people's needs or what they're trying to tell me. And also I have gone through struggles before, and I'm at the point where I have really good personal health. And I have a lot of good coping mechanisms and a lot of experience with that I want to be able to share with others who might be struggling with the same thing. So, the fields that I want to go into, well, they all go back to counseling. I want to do some form of counseling, and I've looked into different types of options. My focus is on different types of mental health, with abnormal psychology, but nothing too crazy, just like depression, anxiety, PTSD, different types of trauma, and things like that. I would rather do individual counseling rather than family or marital counseling and stuff like that, because I feel like it's easier for me to connect with a person one-on-one instead of with a group. So that's one of the options that I'm looking at. I'm also looking at being a correctional counselor. I'm currently doing an internship at the Juvenile Correction Center in St. Anthony, and I really like the concept of also working there and counseling with the students who are there with the delinquents and helping them learn about their past and how it's affected them and brought them to the point that they are, and trying to help them improve and make better choices. I also am really interested in equine therapy. I grew up on a ranch. I love horses. Animals, I think, work wonders for people. And I think having that time of having people come out and work with horses and doing stuff like that would help as well with the same mental health issues. I really kind of want to focus on the same stuff. And then just a personal counselor. So as far as the mental health clinic and correctional counselor, it is preferred that you get a master's for those two. It just gives you more experience and helps you have more training for the field. With equine therapy, if I were to do that, I would have my own personal clinic, which, will go with the personal counselor. For that, you need a doctorate so that you can get the proper licenses and everything to open up your own clinic or counseling facility. So, I'm going to be in school forever, and that is what this class is teaching me. But so that's, just a look at the possible jobs that I have. And as far as my 4-year plan, I am planning on probably taking a year off after I get my bachelor's and then starting right into a master's after that, just to have that year to save money and stuff, because we all know that school's expensive. And then I plan on going and getting a master's, maybe starting out with a mental health clinic or in a correctional facility. And then later on in life, I would move on to get a doctorate. I wouldn't do that right away because I have other goals and things that I want to do. And I also feel like it's important to have experience in different fields of psychology so that you're more well-rounded and have that experience. But yeah, basically that's what I've learned. I've got a lot of work to do. I put this meme here for you guys because I found it amusing. And yeah, I'm excited to keep going at this class and get my plan more concrete since it has changed a lot. But I'm excited to continue studying psychology. Thanks. Bye.